Bonjour my friends, I'm Frank here. Welcome to Club Foodie. During the summer, David and I rarely cook inside. The majority of our meals are grilled on the barbecue. It gives that extra smokiness to the food. Plus, we don't heat up the house. We've grilled almost everything, from appetizers, salsas, main courses, to vegetables, fruits, and desserts. Here's another amazing recipe to try. In today's episode, I'll show you how to make my shrimp po' boy. Oh, what a sandwich! The shrimp are quickly marinated and then grilled on the barbecue along with the hoagies. Before serving, remoulade sauce is generously spread on the buns. This is a tasty sandwich to add to your repertoire. So my friends, let's get cooking.
We'll go ahead and make the marinade. In a bowl, we'll add olive oil, freshly squeezed lemon juice, pressed garlic, hot sauce of your choice, Worcestershire sauce, some Creole seasoning. If you want to make it from scratch, click on the top right corner of your screen. Then a little bit of smoked paprika and a pinch of cayenne pepper. We'll whisk the ingredients very well before adding the shrimp to the marinade. We'll toss them around until they're well coated. Then we'll cover and transfer to the fridge for 25 to 30 minutes. Meanwhile, we'll slice the hoagies. We don't want to slice them all the way. More like hot dog buns so they can hold the ingredients. See? Just like this. Alright, so half an hour later, we'll thread the marinated shrimp. We'll pierce twice so they don't fall when we grill them, and we'll put about 7 to 8 shrimp per skewer. When this step is done, we'll place the skewers on a baking sheet and move on to the barbecue. First, we'll place the buns on the upper grill, close the lid, and toast them for 2 minutes at 500 degrees Fahrenheit. When time is up, we'll remove the hoagies from the heat, close the lid so the temperature comes back at 500, which shouldn't take too long, especially during the summertime. Next, we'll place the skewers on the grill, close the lid, and barbecue the shrimp 2 minutes per side. Time to assemble the sandwiches. We'll generously, and I mean generously, spread the inside buns, top and bottom, with remoulade sauce. Now, to get this incredible homemade recipe, click on the top right corner of your screen. The next ingredient we'll add is the lettuce. You can use frisée, iceberg, romaine, or butter, whichever you prefer. The one I'm using here is a mixed leaves with Lolo Rosa lettuce. After this is our grilled shrimp. I usually place 7 to 8 of them per bun, followed by a couple slices of tomato cut in half, and then topped with more lettuce. Hey, it's good for you. And that's it. We're ready to eat. And my friends, this is our shrimp po' boy. This sandwich is incredibly delicious and easy to make. Traditionally, this recipe has fried shrimp, but by grilling them instead, not only is it healthier, but it's more flavorful. My take on this popular New Orleans dish is certainly a must-have this summer. I hope you give it a try soon, and be sure to visit clubfoodie.com for ingredient amounts, directions, and more info. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!